Let's look at this question. Each of three persons, Bill, Bob, and Buck, is from a different island among Bicker Island, Backer Island, and Becker Island, not necessarily in the same order. However, all the persons from one of the three islands are truth tellers, that is, they always speak the truth. All the persons from another of the three islands are liars, that is, they always lie. All the three persons from the third island are alternators, that is, they always alternate between telling the truth and a lie in any order. The three of them made the following statements, and then you have the different statements made by these people, the different statements made. Okay, now for any liar puzzle, the only way you move forward is by taking cases. So let's try and make cases. The first case would be when I'm taking Bill as a truth teller. If Bill is my truth teller, both the statements that he says would be true. So Bob is not the alternator because Bill is the truth teller, and according to him, Bob is not the alternator. So in this case, Bob should be the liar, and both the statements he makes should be false. By extension, Buck should now be an alternator, but we don't know which statement is true, which statement is false. The second statement made by Bill is all the persons from Backer Island are truth tellers because Bill himself is a truth teller. He must be from Backer Island. Okay. Now Bob says all the persons from Becker Island are alternators, and that is a false statement. So people from Becker Island are not alternators. Backer Island people are already truth tellers. So Becker Island people should be liars, and therefore Bob himself is from Becker Island. Let's look at Buck. Buck's first statement, Bill is not from the Becker Island. Yes, that is true. And his second statement is Bob is an alternator. Bob is an alternator. That is false. Yes, he is not turning out to be an alternator. Wonderful. And the only island left for him is Becker. In this setup, I am getting a truth teller, a liar, and an alternator. Everything is getting created. So yes, this is an acceptable case. Let's go to the second case where I take Bob as the truth teller. If Bob is the truth teller, his first statement is all the persons from the Becker Island are alternators. Okay, so wherever there will be I don't know what is happening now, but let's just say we'll wait for it. Let's look at Bill now and Buck now. If Bob is the truth teller, all the people from Becker Island are alternators. I don't know. Look at the second statement of Buck. He says Bob is an alternator. That is definitely a false statement. That is definitely a false statement. Also look at second statement of Bill now. Look at second statement of Bill now. Oh, sorry, first statement of Bill now. Bob is not the alternator. In the case that you've taken, Bob is the truth teller. So when Bill says Bob is not the alternator, that is a factually true statement. Because you are supposed to have one liar out of these three, the person who is supposed to be the liar should be Buck only. There is the only possibility for a liar in this case is Buck. So his first statement should also be false. If his first statement is also false, according to his first statement, Bill is not from the Becker Island. Therefore, Bill should be from the Becker Island. And Bill would be an alternator. First statement true, second statement false. But look at the second statement of Bill. Look at the second statement of. Look at the first statement of Bob. Look at the first statement from Bob. All the persons from Becker Island are alternators. So the alternator here, he should be from the Becker Island. The statement 1 of Buck and statement 1 of Bob are giving me contrasting results. Buck, whose first statement is supposed to be false, says Bill is not from Becker Island. Because he's a liar, Bill should be from Becker Island. And because he had identified Bill as the alternator, and Bob, who is truth teller in this case, says all the persons from Becker Island are alternators, so Bill should be from Becker Island. You cannot have Bill from two islands simultaneously, which effectively tells you that this is an unacceptable case. Bill being a truth teller works, Bob being a truth teller does not work. Last thing you have to check is Buck as a truth teller. If Buck is a truth teller, Bob will now be an alternator. His second statement is uh, Bob is an alternator, so Bob will now be an alternator, and therefore, by extension, Bill will be a liar. Bill will be a liar. Okay, Buck's two statement are Bill is not from Bicker Island, Bob is an alternator. We have taken care of that. Okay. Now if Bill's first statement is Bob is not an alternator. Yes, this is true. Next thing is Bob's second statement is false. Bob's second statement is false when he says, I am the truth teller. We have identified Bob to be an alternator here. Sorry. I should not have written L here. I should have written F only. So false and false. Bob's second statement, I am the truth teller, is definitely a false statement. So his first statement should be true because he's an alternator. And according to his first statement, he says all the persons from Becker Island are alternators. So he should be from Becker Island. Now, Buck's first statement is Bill is not from Becker Island. Buck's first statement, this statement is Bill is not from Becker Island, and because he's a truth teller and Bill is not from Becker Island, Buck himself should be from the Becker Island. And now the final spot left is Becker Island for Bill. Becker Island for Bill. Let's check if everything works out. Bob is an alternator. Bill is a liar. Bob is an alternator. Bob is not the alternator. Yes. False. All the persons from Becker Island are truth tellers. No. Becker Island people are turning out to be liars. Bob's first statement. All the persons from Becker Island are alternators. True. I am the truth teller. False. Wonderful. Buck's first statement. Bill is not from the Becker Island. True. Bob is an alternator. True. So this case is also acceptable. You can either have this case here or you can have this case here. You don't need to check for any more cases. We've kept everybody as the truth teller ones. Let's get to the individual questions. Which island is Buck from? Here Buck is from the Becker Island. Here Buck is from the Becker Island. Regardless of which case you take, Buck is always from the Becker Island. Therefore option A. Let's go to the second question. Who among the following definitely made at least one true statement? Bill is making two statements here, and B is making 0 2 statements here. So Bill will not be the answer. Let's look at Bob. He makes 0 true statements here, so he will not be the answer here. Let's look at Buck. He makes 1 true statement here. He makes 2 statements here. Therefore, Buck definitely made at least 1 true statement. Answer C. Question number 3. If Bill is not the liar, then who is the truth teller? If Bill is not the liar, so effectively they are saying this is not the case. This is not the case we should be looking at. This is the case. Then who is the truth teller? The truth teller will be Bill in such a case. Last question. Which of the following statements is definitely true? Number of true statements made by Bob was more than that by Bill. Bob more than that of Bill? No, this doesn't work out. In the first case, it is proving to be false because Bob is making 0 true statements and Bill is making 2 true statements. The number of true statements made by Bill was more than that by Buck. Bill is making more true statements than that by Buck. In the second case, that is turning out to be true. Bill is making 0 true statements. Buck is making 2 true statements. Okay, so this is also not acceptable. Let's look at option C. The number of true statements made by Bill was more than that by Bob. Bill more than that by Bob. In the first case, it is valid. In the second case, it is not valid because Bill is making 0 true statements and Bob is making 1 true statement. So this is also not true. First 3 are gone, so answer should be D. Let's just check whether this statement is true or not. The number of true statements made by Buck was more than that by Bob. Buck here makes 1, Bob makes 0. Buck here makes 2, Bob makes 1. Yes, this statement is always true regardless of the case that you take. And that should be the entirety of the question. The guiding principle being in any liar puzzle based question, there are only 2 ways you can solve. One is looking at specific statements like I am a liar, which is an impossible statement, or making a statement like or checking different cases. We check different cases here, got to the appropriate answer.